You see, it's just like I told you. Wishes can come true if you believe in them with all your heart. And the best part is, you'll never run out of wishes. They're shining deep down inside of you. Because that, my friends, is where the magic...
Wishes, dream a dream. Wishes, set it free. Wishes, trust your heart. Just believe. Just believe. Just believe. Like the bolt of the blue, it steps in and sees you through. When you wish upon a star, your dreams come true. Make a wish and do as dreamers do. Just do as dreamers do. Make a wish, wish it, dream a dream, wish it as your heart, and your wish will come true.
See what a little wishing can do?